Imagine a social media platform that is non addictive, hate free, and misinformation free. Well, that's not possible with the toxic algorithm, just like we have in Instagram. It's possible due to AI avatars. This social media platform has a community which is social and not just with zombie scrolling. How do you create an AI avatar? Just click on the join for free button and fill this interactive form. Tell us your name and your other information. You quickly have to fill this highly interactive form and done. Next, your profile will be created and your AI avatar will make a feed just for you according to your interest. Just scroll the feed and interact with the community. Engage with the feed that is created just for you, which is hate free, misinformation free, inappropriate content free. You may also scroll the news AI feed, which is created by your AI avatar. Now, what's special in this news feed? You may get all perspective of every news topic that you are interested in, rightist, leftist, and centrist. And you will also get the bias comparison done by when you scroll down, you will get all those news articles that have covered this news topic. If you have any doubt related to that news, you may ask your AI avatar. Just like we did with this NEET controversy news, now I'm asking my AI avatar to explain me this NEET controversy. Now that you can see, the AI avatar has explained the news according to the article that we have created. It is explaining you all the perspective of that news, rightist, centrist, and leftist. All the perspective. Now let's talk about our SaaS site, where we first of all sell AI chatbot along with the landing page to business who wants to convert their leads to actual paying customers. This increases your chances of converting them by more than 60%. Our customers will be able to get started, and after filling a little form, they'll get a landing page along with the chatbot. They'll be able to get in touch with us, drop their name, and let me show you our one of our customers that has partnered with us, and we have taken their permission to show them in our testimonial. This is HolaU, which sells UV coating, and we have created a chatbot along with the landing page for them. A SaaS has created it. So this is the chatbot, and if I'll test it, we may ask how the HolaU is best for UV coating. The AI thinks and answer in the best way possible to impress the customers and to increase the sales of that business. The AI chatbot is specially trained on the data of the company by our software. This is done just by them filling a little form. Now let's talk about our automation. In broad terms, the automation does is that it takes the topic of a newsletter and then just a quick personal message and it generates a newsletter. So this is an automation that has a team of research agents who are going to go to the internet and find the most relevant in the past weeks about this given topic. In the US stock market, and I have just a quick personal message. This is dear readers, welcome to the newsletter. So by the end of the generation, I'm going to get a HTML file with the latest news about that topic, USA stock market, and a personal message on top. So this is the automation that we are working with, and with along with the creator. So first thought from the research agent, we can see that he used the search and contents tool, and what he thought in order to get here ways to find the latest most relevant news about the USA stock market. I should start with a broad search query using the search and queries tool. The query search for or search news, latest news on USA stock market, and if it is the turn of a chief editor, and a chief editor also used the search and content tool, and his thought was to accomplish this task, I will need to carefully review each and everything. This is where we worked with creator who needed a newsletter automation system. So when he filled the form and told his need in this form, our SaaS software created an AI agent that will not just chit chat but actually perform the task